Good morning, friends. This is Sriharsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 20th of August, and today is Thursday. That means today is option expiry day. So, what is going to happen today? So, if you want to know more, and if you're watching this on YouTube, and you have not actually subscribed to my channel, go ahead, click on the subscribe button, and hit on the bell icon. So good morning all of you, and welcome to Crazy Money Street. Every day I actually update you on what exactly happens on that particular day on the index point of view, and if there is anything specific which is going to happen during the day, and overall I actually give you the picture of what is happening in the market. So if you look at it, yesterday the Indian market actually were pretty looking quite strong, and if you look at the US market, yesterday has overtaken the previous high, and after making the previous high, it actually went almost to 3393 was the high which was there, and it went to 3399.5, which is almost around 3400 range it went, and from there they actually got into some amount of correction. So if you look at it, even Nasdaq had the similar thing. It actually made a new high, and from there it actually has corrected a bit. So though actually it is a 0.5% kind of a correction, but there is a correction at the higher level, and what I can see is if this is going to continue in the market for today also, there's a very likelihood that we may actually get into a retracement mode, where I expect market to move to its previous high, which was around 33 3350 range. So at least around another 1 or 2% correction is what I am actually expecting from the market, or it can probably go towards 3300 kind of thing. So there could be some amount of retracement which will do, because we have actually moved quite a lot. So that correction is needed for the market to move further high. So let's see how actually this is going to work out, whether this is actually going to act as a looking at the way the market is, I don't see that this is going to be a stronger correction, because the overall market sentiment is still very positive. It could be a shallow correction, but let's see how actually things work out, and then we will take a call. As of now, for Indian market, if I have to see, even if we have to correct, we may actually maximum come to 11,000 range. But right now what actually we can see is, looking at the future market, it's actually showing us that we may be getting started almost 1% down. So we may get started somewhere around 11,300 is what we are actually seeing. Let's see how the market is going to work. As of now, looking at the option chain, I can say we may be in the range between 11,300 to 11,500. That is what actually I am looking at, and if there is any change, I will actually tell you later on, probably after maybe after an hour we will be knowing how actually market is behaving. Overall, if I see 11,300 to 11,500, that could be the range, or probably it will be more towards 11,300 to 400, because if you look at the market, 11,400 is a place where there has always been a highest open interest for the entire week, and almost for the entire month. Whenever we have moved towards 11,000 350 400, above 11,350, always we have actually got into a correction kind of a mode. That means actually 11,350 and 400 were always acting as a resistance. Now let's see how actually things are going to move, but overall what I can see is for uh, for the index as such, 11,300 will be a support at this point of time, and 11,500 will be acting as a resistance. And if you look at bank nifty per se, 22,000 could act as support, and 22,000 300 to 500 would act as a resistance. So those are the levels which we can look for. So let's see how things are going to work, and based on that we can actually take a call. So I'm actually going to do a live option expiry trade. So maybe around 9:30 I'll be coming live, or based on how the opportunity will come, I'll actually be coming live. So you can actually, if you want to follow, you can do that. And if you want to know how exactly I come and arrive on all these conditions, I have a separate program called Option Expiry Secrets. You can buy that program to learn how actually it is done, and you will get much better updates and a lot of interaction directly with me. A lot of support handholding is given to you. If you are really interested, you can go and click on the link below in the description and you can take that program. Guys, I have a free stock market program happening next week, starting from Monday to Friday, every day at 6 o'clock to 6:30. So half an hour will be the program and 15 minutes is given for the question answers. So overall actually around 45 minutes. On the last day I'll be giving you more than an hour. So it's actually Monday to Friday, almost 5 days. So if you see, I'll be giving you close to 5 hours of program. It will give you all the relevant information which is helpful for you to get started. If you are a beginner and if you want to get interested in stock market, you will learn from the basics of the stock market, how to read the charts, how to actually use the indicators, how to get a perfect entry, perfect target and the stop loss, how to do that, and finally what are the different trading principles you need to follow. I'll be giving you a crash course on the main program, and if you are interested to actually get in touch, this is given to you absolutely free of cost. So what you need to do is just go and click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon. Go and learn, go and actually search for Crazy Money with Sri on Telegram and join my channel. Search for free stock market training program, free stock market training in Telegram. There is another channel which is made only for this purpose. Join that particular channel also. I have a Facebook page with the same name of Crazy Money with Sri. Go and hit on the like button there. Follow me everywhere so that you will know when actually I am coming with different options and different kinds of helpful tips for you. Afternoons I actually come with giving you stock tips. Every afternoon I come out and tell you what actually, based on whatever recommendations I've given you, I'll update you on all the stocks which I've already shared with you, and I will be giving you stock ideas. Right now I'm giving you these are positional trades around 12:30 or 1:30. Sorry, that is the range at which I would actually come online and actually help you to do that. Stay tuned on that. So subscribe to this and actually hit on the bell icon so that you will get all the notification. Like this particular video, share it, comment it, and spread this word to all your friends so that let them all get benefited. Let your trade be profitable. I hope you make a lot of money. Thank you very much. Have a great day.